In this video, we'll look at the conference tool. The conference tool allows teachers and students to interact in real time through itslearning. You can do a text-based conference, which allows 50 users at a time, or a video-based conference, which is only limited to 10 users at a time. Let's look at an example of a conference. Here in my course, I've already created a conference, so I'll click on the link for the conference. It will open the conference with any description and information about the conference, and then notice the users click where it says Start Conference in New Window. This will open a new window, and as users are added to the conference, notice their names appear over here on the right. One of the first things I would recommend that you do as the teacher is to choose a color of text that you're going to use and let the students know that that's the color that you will be using. Then, as students ask you questions, those questions will appear in the text box, and then you can interact with them and answer their questions, or students can answer one another's questions, which is really the neat aspect of the conference. A couple features I want to show you. Notice over here, if you need to interact with one student instead of all the students in the conference, you can actually click on a student's name and it'll tell you that you're just chatting with that one particular student. When you're done talking to that student, click the Stop Whisper button and then you're back to chatting with everyone. If at any point in time you have a student that is misbehaving, typing inappropriate information, notice as a teacher you have a kick button. So I can click on a student's name, hit kick, and it actually throws that student out of the conference. I would recommend, once you've completed a conference, that you highlight the text, copy it, and then paste it into a note in your itslearning course. That way, if a student was not able to attend the conference, they could still go back and read the transcript of what happened during that conference. Let's go ahead and end this conference for now, and let's look at how to make your own conference. To build your own conference in your course tree, click on the plus add button. Once the list of items opens that you can add to your course, scroll down and click on Conference. You need to give your conference a title, so I'm just going to say Unit 6 Review Conference. Type a description as to what's going to happen in that conference. Add any learning objectives that you would like to add, and then select what type of conference it'll be, whether you're going to use text-based or video-based. I'm going to leave mine on text-based. Oh, also, I'm going to check to open the conference in a new window. And then notice by default it is active. I would highly recommend that you set a time span on this conference or leave it inactive until the exact time that you're ready to actually use the conference. You don't want students in there without you and possibly typing inappropriate things. So I could set the actual time span and then click Save. That'll build the conference for you. And then, like I showed you earlier, all the students would have to do is go in, click on the conference, click that Start Conference button, and you're good to go. Good luck with your conference.